Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change microphone in Soundpad. So basically go to Windows Search and type change system sounds, and this little window should pop up. Go to recording and select your microphone, then right click it and click set as default device and set as default communication device. Then click apply and OK. After that, go to Soundpad and click on file, then preferences, and right here this window should pop up. Go to devices, then you'll see recording devices. This is where your microphones is. Then what you'll need to do is basically go and check your default microphone. So as you can see, this is my default microphone because this icon is showed up, and then click apply and OK. And that's how you change your microphone. If you want to use different microphone, just repeat the process and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.